Guys, welcome to my channel. So you know that I always bring something exciting to show you guys. Yes, so in today's video I'm gonna show you guys this candle brand, and oh my god, they're stunning. So I'm gonna mention right here. Yes, if you see these you are gonna love it. Yes, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Yeah, so this is the brand. It is called as Florico. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this brand, oh my god, the products are so stunning. I think she also made a video, showing everything that I got and all of that on her page. You can check it out. I'm also tagged in that. Yes, so yeah, I think once you see these, you're gonna love it. Yes, they work as very good like decoration items. You can gift it to somebody and all of that who's into candles and all of that. Not only candles, I'm gonna show you everything that I have from this brand. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one that I have is, oh my god, is this beautiful rose that, oh my god, it is stunning. I just loved it. It is made of, it's made of this this fabric detailing. It would look so nice, as a decoration piece in your in your vase. You can put this and you can just wash it. If it gets dirty, you can just take a wet wipe and just clean it. Yes, that is the tip that I would like to give you. So I'm gonna put this in my studio room. Yes, I loved it. Yes, so yeah, we're gonna open this and I'm gonna show you of how it looks. Yes, so yeah, I love the ribbon packaging as well, which she did. Yeah, so let's see. Oh my god, stunning. So oh my god, with this dress it looks so nice. So I'm gonna remove this and show you guys of how pretty it is. Oh my god, it's very pretty. So it's gonna make a very good centerpiece. Yeah, so you're gonna love it, and it's so nicely made. So it is this red rose with this. It's very sturdy as well, dude. So it gives me a tulip vibe more than a red rose. So pretty. Yes. So yeah, love it. So if you want to gift something, like a flower that is always there for your girlfriend and all of that, you can give this. This is the first item which I absolutely love. So yeah, let's move on. I think when you see these, she also sent me a lot of freebies. Yeah, so let's see. So yeah, it is right here. So I did check few. Yeah, so this is the one. I think instantly you're going to love when you see these. Yeah, so it is a teddy bear. Yes, it's a teddy bear. I'm gonna show you guys. Wait. So yes, I'm gonna unpack this. I just got my scissors. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So it came tied up with this red ribbon. I'm being careful so that I don't damage this. Yes, so this is the one. It is this red teddy. So I'm gonna remove this to show you guys. Actually, I'm gonna keep this sealed so that when I am arranging, then I can show you guys. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. So pretty. So this is the one. I'm gonna be careful with my nails. Can you see how cute this is? I am into soft toys, and you've seen whenever I travel the world, I ensure that I get, yeah. So yeah, so this is the one. It's this red teddy. So pretty, so pretty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put back in this because there is a color transfer, obviously. So yeah, so it comes as a very good piece. So I'm going to get a stand for this and put it on that stand. Yes, so check out how I'm going to decorate. Yes, so yes, it's so pretty. Actually, when she posted on her Instagram, everybody were asking. So I'm gonna get a stand so that I can put this on and light it. So they look so cute and pretty. Yeah, so this is a red teddy bear. So you can give it for your Valentine's Day or any occasion that you have. They're gonna your girl is gonna love these. So this is the one. And moving on, there is no color transfer on my hands, but yeah. So anyway, moving on, I have another item. Yeah, so I have these, this is a brand. Yeah, this is the brand. Thank you. And she put a card, and this is the brand Florico. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, so it came all nicely packaged, and that's it I have in this box. Yeah, it came all nicely packed, and it was very nice. Yes, secured. So we're gonna open this. So these she sent as a gift. Yes, so yeah, this is the brand. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna be a little bit careful. Yeah, so she sent this as a gift. Yes, let me see. Okay, so I can see a square. Oh my god, as a gift, there is this gift packaging. It's so nice. I'm not gonna open this, it's white, but yeah, let me see if I can show you guys. Can you see the detailing of this like gift? Yeah, so nice. And you have this candle wick as well, so very nice. Yeah, so this is the one, very nice. Yeah, so pretty. So I like the white one. There is no transfer of color from the white because obviously white is your typical white, so I don't see any color transfer, so love it. Yes. Okay, so that is everything I have. You can see how cute and pretty they are from the first box, and I'm a fan of this. Yeah, this is stunning. Yes. Okay, so moving on, I have another big box. This is the big daddy. Okay, so let's see what all I have. Okay, so we're gonna open one by one. Yeah, so I can see a big, you're gonna love this. How pretty, and the detailing, dude. See the detailing on this gift thing. It's very nice, stunning. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I have in this. So yeah, it's a bouquet. So there was this bouquet like this pink and white. This is so stunning. So yeah, let me show you guys of how the detailing, dude. It's so nice, so nice. I was like literally a fan of it when I saw it. Yeah, so this is the one. You can see, stunning. Like how cute is that bouquet, dude. So I am gonna use these as decoration. So love the bouquet. Oh my god, stunning. Yes, absolutely stunning. Yes. So yeah, love it. Yes, I'm a fan of it. There is a mild vanilla fragrance. Yeah, so yeah, see, with the heat I feel like it's melting, so you have to be careful about where you place it. Don't place it under sunlight. Yeah, so if you want to use this like decoration, I think you can just get a stand, and they can hold. So I have this one. Yeah, so I'm gonna put below like this, so that I can hold it. Yes, so that is the one. Moving on, I have another one. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I have, what do I have? Okay, so I can see a pink and red. There is a color transfer from the red, not other colors. Yes, but red, yes, obviously it makes sense because red is a very vibrant and a bold color. Okay, so similar to the one like the pink and white bouquet, I see a red and white bouquet. Okay, so let me show you guys. My god, it's so pretty, so pretty. Just look at that, how pretty it is. Yeah, so yeah, love it. Oh my god, stunning. Yeah, so love it. Yes, so this is the one. I'm just holding it so that I don't spoil it. Yes, so these are the two ones. You can see the rose detailing, dude. How pretty is that? I love red and pink. Those two are my favorite colors. So I have those. So I ordered 3 of these each. I also have a pink teddy bear which I would like to show. Yes. Okay, so this is another bouquet. I really like, compared to the red and white, I really love the red and the white and pink. They are more stunning and vibrant when you see. It's a very subtle color. You can see how stunning they look. Yeah, just look at this, dude. It's so cute and pretty. So this is the one, very nice. So they're very good as decoration, like you can decorate. So I would love to decorate these in my studio. Stunning, yes. So love it. Yeah, so I'm gonna open one by one and show you everything. In the last I'm gonna put a screenshot. Yes, so this is again red one, the red and white bouquet. Yes, so yeah, so this is the one. Oh my god, it's so pretty, dude. In reality it's very pretty than what you see in in the pictures and all of that. It's more pretty. So I ordered 3 of these and 3 of that. So yeah, so very nice, stunning. So it looks very nice. If you get a stand, it looks very nice, like a 3 candle stand. Yeah, 2-3 candle stand it looks. So like a red teddy, so I love the pink teddy. Let me show you guys. So cute, dude. The pink teddy is more cuter. Yeah, so this is the one. You can see this is the one. Oh my god, so cute. Yeah, so I love the detailing which it has. You have a heart, and the shape is also very nice. You can light these and everybody are gonna love it. You can put it in your your center table in your hall or in your room, like in my studio room. So stunning. I'm going to search for good candle stands so that I can decorate these very nicely. So yeah, this is the red and pink teddy. Love it. So moving on, let's see what else we have. Okay. So I ordered 2 of each. I remember, I just forgot. So this gift, this and this is a gift from her. Yeah, because she was very happy because I ordered from her. Yes, and she posted on her Instagram as well, and everybody gave her inquiries as well for that. So yeah, I want to show you guys. So I love her brand, card as well. Yes. So this is a mini version of the teddy which she sent me. This gift, and this was her gift from her. Yes. So yeah, let me show. Very sweet of her to send. I really love to support, that is it. I don't have anything else. Yes, so I really like to support, small brands. Yes, okay. So I got this as a gift. So be careful when you order the red because it's going to transfer. Okay, so the red teddy, mini teddy is more cuter. Like you can see the detailing, dude. So when you order the red one, little bit be careful. Okay, so they transfer. Yeah. So but it does not matter. I think, if you put it in cold water, it's fine. Yeah. So you can see the baby version of this red teddy and the small teddy. Yeah, love it. So I'm gonna put a photo right here. You can check it out. So yes, so that is everything. I love my favorite is this bouquet. I love the bouquet that it came. Obviously, this tulip is also very nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna put photos and videos of how these look in reality. I love the bow detailing. Very pretty. Yeah, so yes, my lovelies, that's it for this video. Yes, so check out this brand and you can elevate your space. You can make them look very nice. I love the bouquets. This bouquet, yeah, it's very nice, and I love the gift as well. Yes, so yes, my lovelies, so yes, that is it for this video. Let me know what was your favorite. If I have to choose, I think the first, many people will like the teddy, but I love the red and pink, the white and pink roses bouquet. Very nice. So yes, let me know what's your favorite in the comments. Also check out this brand. Yes, I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out the snippets which I put here. Yes, so bye.